What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have something that your wife may want, your husband may want, or someone that you know that loves being in the kitchen. This is a Glacier Bay touchless kitchen faucet. This is a sensored kitchen faucet. Not the type of sensors where you touch the faucet and then it comes on. This is the one where you actually wave your hand in front of the faucet. And I do apologize. I had this for almost 4 to 3 weeks. I haven't decided where I was going to put it yet. I might put it in the bar when we have the bar downstairs in the basement, or I might put this in my garage where we are going to install a sink. Or I might put it right here to replace my other sensor faucet that I have. So let me show y'all. This one I got from Amazon. I'll drop a little picture. I'll drop a link to this one too. But this one is the same, should be the same as this. You put your hand in front of the sensor. Put your hand back in front. On, off. So this is the same situation. All right, this says it comes with a 32-inch supply lines with the 3/8-inch fitting. So that's for your water valves for off and on. And then it features 2 sprayers. So it has 2, just like the one that I have here. Got the regular sprayer.
And the shower.
And then the shower sprayer. All right, and what else we have? Okay, we have turbo spray, on and off motion. So that's with the motion sensor. And what else we have? All right, so let's turn it around for y'all. You have the 3 holes. So you have the cover plate where you can use 3 holes, where it could cover 3 of your holes. And then you could just, if you have a single hole, you can just set it right on top of the single hole. This is a simple slide and quick turn, so this ain't really a thread turn, but we will find that out later. Right now, I'm just going to do an open box just so y'all can see what it looks like on the inside. And like I said, I do apologize. They do not have that many in stock, so I will try to drop a link. Maybe you have some in your area. The last time I checked, there's only like 2 or 3 that's real close to me, and then another 20 miles is like 5 more left. So let's get into this. Hopefully I'm not too late. Here we go. We have a water line.
Of course.
Of course, of course. We have a sensor wire. We have the plate. Now I don't know if y'all really need to know the dimensions on it. Should be a standard one, but right here, 10 inches for the plate, and it's nicely protected. Something that I learned about black faucets and fixtures and stuff is that it do get fingerprint easy. Then the silver, the old silver stuff. This is a pretty long thread, and that's due to if you have granite countertops. So you have about 3 3/4 of thread. You have the push twist on here. That's what it says. So you push and twist. Okay, do we have the weight?
This is kind of like ours because it can like move out and move in.
Yep. All right, so we have the sensor box. This is how the sensor really works.
It's how like you put your finger and it just comes down.
Yep.
Instantly.
Right here we have our weight.
What is a weight? Oh yeah.
That's how it comes back up, right?
Yeah.
So let's open this for the people real quick.
And that's the weight.
And this is the weight. This is how you close the weight. Batteries go in this part. Okay, so this is a little bit different than the one I got. So yes, I will have to just read up on it just a little bit. But most of this is self-explanatory. They got the quick connections. Loving it. Love the quick connections that they have with these sensor faucets. And they give you a key. One little key, of course. And they give you batteries. All right, so that is the unboxing. Oh, and also, show y'all this. You got hot and cold.
Yep. Just
so you won't get confused on what is hot and what is cold. And that's it with the Glacier censored, Glacier Bay censored kitchen faucet. So, please try to get this for somebody, like I said, who like being in the kitchen. If you like this unboxing, let me know. Sometimes I forget I have stuff, but please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I have new cool products. Catch you in the next video.